Flows are great to work with, but what happens when you need full control of the logic? This is where coding can help out a bit. In Salesforce, this translates to using Apex, and that changes everything. It enhances your capabilities to work with AI agents and ultimately your ability to do more at work. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. In the last video on Agentforce, I guided you to call an AI agent from Flow, and today we are going to use Apex instead of Flow. Apex is similar to Java and an important programming language for anyone working in Salesforce or learning it. So I expect you to already know a bit about it. So let's get straight to the demo. Salesforce has already shared a reference document for calling an agent from Apex. I've opened that document here and you'll find this ready-made code snippet provided by Salesforce. First, let's understand what this code is doing and what you need to focus on. Copy this code and paste it directly into the developer console. You can modify it based on your use case. In the code, we are calling invocable.call_agent from Apex. We pass the username as a string, so any parameters you want to send to the agent must be passed here. These parameters are added using action.setInvocable parameters. Whatever message you pass here becomes the input to Agentforce. Before calling the agent, you must specify which agent you want to invoke. Go to Agents in Salesforce, open your desired agent. In my case, this is the healthcare agent. Copy the API name of the agent and paste it into the Apex code. That's it. Everything else in the code can remain as is. So, this healthcare agent is designed to book appointments, collect patient details, and handle any healthcare related conversations. Now let's execute the code. I pass a message like, "Hey, I'm just chilling and I'm not feeling well." After execution, a new session ID is created and the agent returns with a response type and value. For example, "I'm sorry to hear that you're not feeling well. I can help you book an appointment. Could you please provide your name, email, and phone number to get started?" Now I call the agent again and provide details like name, email, and phone number. The agent responds, but notice something important. If you look closely, the session ID is different. A new session is created every time. This means the agent does not remember the previous conversation and the context is lost, so session management becomes important here. To fix this, we need to maintain the session ID. There are two ways to handle this. First is to pass the session ID dynamically as a parameter or hard code it. For now, I'll hard code it like this. Execute the agent once and copy the generated session ID. Paste it into the Apex code and use it in set invocable parameters. Let's execute the code and test again. "Hey, I'm Shrey. My email is this and that's my number." The agent responds with an error. It looks like that the email address is missing.com. That's expected behavior. The agent is validating input. Now let me correct the email to shrey@gmail.com and execute it again. This time the agent continues the same conversation and the session is successfully maintained. Here you can see the response. And that's how you can call an agent from Apex in Salesforce Agentforce. Pass inputs and most importantly, manage session continuity for real conversational experiences. I hope the demo was easy to understand and you were able to follow along. If not, then you can re-watch as many times as you like and leave your queries in the comments. If you found this series or this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. And for more such videos and series about Salesforce, don't forget to subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.